Creating sitemap for WordPress website and submit in Google Search Console is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. Let's start the process. Open your WordPress in Google Chrome. WordPress has many pages like Sitekit, pages, post, media, comments, appearance, plugins, and so on. All the pages has many sub-pages, as we have to create sitemap for our site. So, to achieve this goal we have to install a plugin. Click on Plugin page. A pop-up menu will appear with 3 options. Click on Add New option and Add Plugin will open. Type Yoast in search bar. Click on First on Plugin and install it. After this, activate the plugin and go back to left sidebar pages. Here you will see the Yoast plugin and click on it. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Setting, open Site Features, and there are many site information that is enable and turn on already. Go down and click on View the XML sitemap. It will open in blank page. Finally, our sitemap is create for WordPress website by Yoast SEO plugin, as you can see here. Copy the last URL off the sitemap. Now go to Google Search Console. Click on Sitemap page. Here paste the link of sitemap here and click Submit. A text box will appear to show that you have successfully submitted our sitemap. In this way we can create sitemap for WordPress website and submit in Google Search Console easily.